Hello. I think Patil Sri Hari yesterday, he wanted to repeat the statement number 9, I think. Hello. Am I right? He wanted to repeat. Sri Hari. Sri Hari. He wanted to repeat the statement 9, I think. Hello. Sri Hari. Hello. Sri Hari.
Hello.
Sri Hari. Which statement you want to repeat yesterday?
Nine minutes.
Okay. ठीक है. Sri Hari, please.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Dear friends, yes, all you people, please, things depends on them having the courage of their convictions. Convictions means अपना दृढ़ विश्वास. These sentence is again classified or parted into 5 parts. हालांकि everything इस वर्ड को किसी भी पार्ट में उन्होंने इंक्लूड नहीं किया है. नंबर 1. और अब हम देखेंगे कि थिंग्स ये सब्जेक्ट है, इट इज इन प्लूरल. तो व्हेन द सब्जेक्ट इज इन प्लूरल तो फिर जो वर्ब है इट शुड बी आल्सो इन प्लूरल. दैट मीन्स देयर शुड नॉट बी यस और ईएस, लेकिन इसको ईएस जोड़ा गया है. तो वो हो सकता है कि जो जिन्होंने लिखा है या टाइप किया है उसका थोड़ा कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है या प्रिंट मिस्टेक हो सकती है. हियर एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स, इस तरह से आपको पढ़ना है बच्चों. सो एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन देम हैविंग द करेज ऑफ देयर कन्विक्शंस. तो इसमें ये जो देम है, एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन देयर हैविंग द करेज ऑफ देयर कन्विक्शंस, ये है. सो एरर पार्ट बी पार्ट दिया है. एरर पार्ट इज द बी पार्ट. Actually, much has been talked about this, but for our day student, we have repeated again the statement number 9. So please, everything के अलावा everything कर लीजिए, and we cannot write this as the answer because this has not been included in the part A, B, C, D. So, uh, secondly, them should be or them should be replaced by their. So B is an error part, and read everything depends. It might be spelling mistake or some technical mistake. Okay. Now, my dear friends, let's go to now. Let's go to our next important thing. Again, important rules. Important rules. Okay, Sri Hari, please. Let's go to next our important study, and that is Uh, now, okay. Hello. Is it okay now? Uh, hello. Hello. Is it okay? Okay. Now, dear friends, please. Important rules. Am I audible you now? Okay. Come. Some verbs like regard, treat, indefinite article, represent, etc. are followed by ads. For example, Gandhiji is regarded as champion of non-violence. Uh, regard, and after that there should be ads, treat ads, define ads, represent ads. So these remember the list of these verbs. They should be followed by ads. For example, Gandhiji is regarded, and then as is used here, as champion of non-violence. Next rule is no less than is used in reference to quantitative nouns. Quantitative nouns, that means their quantity, not the quality, quantity. And in reference of their quantity, uh, we have to use no fewer than, no fewer than for the quantity or the number of the nouns. For example, you will see no fewer than, and the numbers of the noun is there. 3,000 people, people, noun, and the number has been given here, 3,000. And when numbers of the number of the noun is given, at that time we have to use no fewer than. No fewer than 3,000 people were killed in the flood havoc or the disaster situation. Such and same. Remember this, dear friends. Such and these, such and same are followed. These two words are followed by as. For example, such as, same as, such as, same as. Make it habit of saying this, or make it habit of using this. But when in reference to that, if we want to refer to this that, then such as and same as are, such as and same are used. That means such will be followed by as, and same will be followed by as when it is used, when they are used in this reference, that, which, or who. For example, his reply was such as silenced all opposing voices. His reply was such as silenced all opposing voices. Then such as and same as will be used in reference to that, which, or who. So as will be used after such and same when they are used in reference to that, which, or who. Next, हेलो हेलो टेक स्लो. Okay. Is it okay? Yes. Dear friends, uh, uh, come to the point again. Statement number 3. Such and same. These are the words which are followed by as. Which are followed by as in preference to that. When we want to prefer to that, such time, such and same are or will be followed by as when they are used in reference to that, which, or who. For example, his reply was such as silenced all opposing voices. Then again here, now no less than when it is used with the number of the noun. When it is used in reference to the number of noun, at that time we have to use no fewer than when the number of the noun is given. For example, people is a noun and the number of people given here 3,000, and that's why before them no fewer than is used. No fewer than is used to refer to number of people. The number of people, their quantity, their number is given. And before that again, some verbs like regard. You remember these words? Hello, you now some verbs like regard, then treat, define, represent, etc. They are followed by as. These verbs are followed by as. For example, for example, Gandhiji is regarded as. So as is used after regarded. Dear friend, shall I remove this headphone? Hello, shall I remove this headphone? Hello, represent. So these verbs are followed by as, means after these verbs as will be there. Okay, thank you, Mahesh. Avishkar, good. Now, Ashoka the Great, Ashoka the Great, Ashoka the Great was regarded, one of the greatest emperors the world has ever produced. No error. वेदांत, बच्चों इस स्टेटमेंट को अच्छी तरह से पढ़ लीजिए. फिर आपको बराबर पता चलेगा which part of the sentence is an error part. वेरी सिंपल है, कुछ वर्ब्स की लिस्ट थी एंड आफ्टर देम एज इज टू बी यूज्ड. दानिश, हिमांशु, आशीष, मंदार. गुड. कम ऑन गाइस. सिद्धार्थ. वेरी गुड. Again, the students who might have not come to the right answer, please again read. Think over. Mandar, Himanshu, Danesh. Good. Don't get confused, dear friends. Don't be nervous. Very good. साहिल, थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा बेटा. Shubham, can I show you the rules again? Then you will get it. Look at here. Then easily will come to identify which part of the sentence was wrong. Come on. Mayuresh, Ayush, Jay. Mayuresh, please read. Jay, good. Now, dear friend, in this statement, you will see B part is an error part. Mayuresh, B part is an error part because some of the verbs are there. After them, we have to use as. For example, regard as, treat as, then define as, represent as, etc. Here was regarded as. So this regarded should be followed by as. Very good. Very good. So Ashoka the Great was regarded as one of the greatest emperors the world has ever produced. B part is an error part. Very good, all you people. Nice. Rushabnath, B part is an error part because this regarded should be followed by as. Good. Next, B part is an error part. Next, statement. Concentrate on the statement. Don't get confused. Don't divert your attention. Now look at here. Statement number next. No sooner did the police arrived. Now statement number second. Now statement number second. Come to the statement number second. Avishkar. Very good. Mandar. Very good. 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 Parth. Danesh, please read. Sahil, very good. Aditya, good. Yes, my dear friend, no sooner the police arrived, they Okay, first you read one more time the statement, please. Each one statement is very important. Every statement is very important. Ashish, very good. Rishabnath, very good. Mayuresh, very good. Sahil, good. Danesh. No sooner the police arrived than the robbers made good their escape with the booty. Booty, that means the material which has been stolen. Here, RIU should be in its first form, and no sooner did the police arrive. No sooner did the police arrive. No sooner did the police arrive. Good. So A part is an error part. So no sooner did the police arrive than the robbers made good their escape with the booty. Good. Sahil, Danesh, good. All you people are very good. Shall we move to the next statement? Mandar, good. No sooner did the police arrived not should not be there, because no sooner did the police, that means it becomes the past, so this arrived, no, arrive, it should be arrived in. Did the police arrive? The past form is completed by did. Good.